All right, it's Wednesday, March 27th. Just wanted to follow up on Coinbase as we come to the end of the day. There's about a half hour to go in trading. You can see it's working down towards the lows of the day right now. I bought some puts I described on a previous video on this red, bar here for a secondary push to the lows of the day. I scaled out to set up a no-risk trade, and then I've been holding on. When it came up and then had another red bar, I actually doubled up and bought some more puts here, and I just scaled out of those to set up a no-risk trade, and we'll see if it takes out the lows of the day. In the big picture, we have a 2-down day here, red, that still has a target down to this area. If we can close red here, then likely follow through tomorrow and to take out at least this target in the 250 area. There's a gap down here in the 240. We could be coming all the way down to the bottom of the range here, in the 220 area. So there's a lot, of potential failure developing up here on this 2-down day if it closes strongly red. Again, I did all kinds of, I bought those original 265 puts at 843. I scaled out at 950. They're up to 1120 right now. I doubled up and bought some 275 puts. Actually a week out, I think, at 2112, and I just scaled out of those at 2480 here, and they're asking, well, I saw them up to 26 a minute ago. They're in the 25 area. So, we will see what develops here on these Coinbase puts. But it's a type of thing where if you just want to day trade it, you can exit here near the end of the day with a gain. If you want to try to hold on, as long as we hold the midpoint of this daily bar tomorrow, and we'll see how the opening is, we could be projecting lower. I still think there's this target right down here to start, and then after that we'll see if we can get to the low end of the range as the week moves on. We're kind of getting consolidation, choppy weekly price action here, but we did take out the high of the previous week as expected with the green bar, came through the open to turn this week red. So if we can get to the midpoint of that bar, and then in the next couple of days we could be heading down to the bottom of that range. But overall, it's just a choppy area and an overall uptrend. I get that, but we're definitely getting a little bit of failure here. And then today, after the 2-down confirmation on the daily chart and a big push down, we definitely had a secondary, play towards the lows of the day. So we'll see if we get there. Again, a little less than a half hour to go in trading. We'll see if we make it there or not, but that's kind of, that was the expectation on both of these, red bars, that after orderly pullbacks to test that low of the day. So we're getting close. We'll see if we get there. It's all at no risk right now. And again, in the big picture, we might be heading a lot lower on Coinbase if we can close red here and follow through tomorrow.